Dogs are natural athletes. They run, they swim, they dribble, they even skate. Unfortunately, not all of them.
Ela sofreu acidente e ficou paraplégica.
Nós adotamos ela de uma ONG. Ela foi resgatada por essa ONG após ser atropelada.
That's why Decathlon, the worldwide retailer democratizing sports for the many, is turning pets that can't run into athletes. PEThletes. At pet stations, they can drop off their plastic bottles, setting the type and size of disability of their pets. The plastic is recycled into filament to be 3D printed, turning dogs into PEThletes. For every prosthetic, one dog came back to run. And one human, too.
Agora que a Cel voltou a correr, eu também vou me estimular a voltar a correr.
E agora a mãe aqui tem que treinar também, né, para acompanhar a filha.
Because sports are for everyone, including our best friends.